Do you see this map right here, showing all of the ships and planes that have disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle over the last 100 years? But how could it be that one specific area is responsible for taking over 1,000 lives in the last century, disappearing without a trace? Sparsh Maheshwari 1324 has been asking me to make a video on the Bermuda Triangle, so let's do it. The Bermuda Triangle is roughly defined as the region between the Atlantic coast of Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. It got its reputation as being one of the most mysterious places on Earth after a number of famous disappearances, including 5 US Navy planes that never returned in 1945 and the rescue plane that was sent out to look for them. The USS Cyclops vanished in the same area after leaving Barbados with 306 crew aboard, making it the single largest non-combat loss of life in US history. The disappearance of the Star Tiger plane with 31 people on board and another one a year later with 20 people on board. All of these incidents included no survivors, no distress calls, no wreckage or explanation. And while all of these incidents are stuff of legend, and many have tried to come up with explanations as to what happened, it is a good time to remember that the Bermuda Triangle doesn't see disappearances or wrecks with any greater frequency than anywhere else in the world.